Casa Verde Chill.
Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to another episode of Reinventing the Meal. As you can tell by the background, it's a little different today. Not gonna lie, the whole instructional part of this video that I had recorded, the file got corrupted because the camera died in the middle of filming. So that's big ol' rut-row. So naturally I have to come on here, I have to re-record it, otherwise we don't have a video. Anyways, to make these patty melts, you are going to get some solid white bread, you are going to get your ground beef, a yellow onion or a white onion. Of course, you need some good old plain Jane American cheese, and I don't want to hear any shit about using American cheese on a patty melt that is an all-American diner item. I'm sorry, but you can make a fancy one if you want, but I think a traditional patty melt has to be with the plastic squares. It's just the rules. And to make your delicious patty melt sauce, you are going to need some mayo, some ketchup, and some relish. First things first, because it takes the longest amount of time, you're gonna go ahead and chop up your onion, and you're gonna put your chopped up onion on a pan on medium-low heat, just so these onions get nice and caramelized and translucent and jammy and delicious. We just want a really awesome, soft, caramelized onion. That is our goal here. After that, we're gonna go ahead and make our patties. Mine were between like a 1/4 pound and a 1/3 of a pound. I didn't really know exactly. I just kind of formed them and pressed them into shape. Try to make my patties a little wider just to compensate for how much they're gonna shrink when we cook them. Put those patties on a pan at medium to medium-high heat. Do your absolute best to get a nice sear on those and cook them to your desired temperature. And last but not least, we wanna make our sauce, and it is so simple. It is literally 1 part mayo, 1 part ketchup, and then you just mix in some relish, and it's just like a slightly upgraded pink sauce. Ta-da! And to assemble these monstrosities, it is of course gonna be your bread, some of your sauce, go ahead and put on a couple pieces of your plastic American cheese, followed by your patty, more cheese, and then top it off with another piece of bread with more of the sauce on it. We are then gonna toast this like you would a grilled cheese. Make sure it's golden brown and delicious each time when you flip it over. If you want to steam it by putting a lid on it to help it out, that is totally fine. And yeah, once you get that beautiful golden brown crust after cooking it on like medium low, you should be ready to take it off, cut it in half, and then enjoy. And that is your delicious, like all-American patty melt. And weirdly enough, the file where we were trying it on camera is somehow still intact. So we're just gonna roll that.
Damn, this is really good though.
Yeah, it is. It's so messy.
I really like this. Honestly, the sauce, yeah, it's really good.
I told you. Wait, I'm gonna talk about this in a second. I kind of just want to finish this piece.
Can I leave?
Yeah, just, if you want to take it and leave, you can. I mean, it tastes like you made a grilled cheese and you're like, I'm just gonna put a fucking hamburger patty in this. I think I might need a napkin once I'm done with this. I can feel my arteries clogging already. You know, when you eat something greasy, you can feel it in your face, but this is all part of the experience. Well, that is that. That is your glorious patty melt. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.